before you say anything about my hair, it's wash day. It's wash day.
But it's not just any ordinary wash day. This wash day is special because my good friends at Fable in Maine have sent me some goodies. They sent me Nani's secret for healthy hair growth, and they sent me their best-selling Holy Roots hair oil. And I'm really excited to get into the ritual of this head massage.
No, I warned you guys that it's wash day. Oh. The way that it's stuck like this, we're gonna go through it, and gorgeous, luscious, super long, super strong hair is sure to ensue.
There are a ton of benefits to this massage: lustrous, healthy hair, alleviating stress, and encouraging hair growth. I started off by finding my tiger ears and finding my crown chakra. Then I placed oil on the side of my scalp and did the snake slither. Next were the crab claws to really pinch and stimulate all of that new growth, onto the butterfly, and then my actual favorite, the peacock's feather. And finally, I used the scalp massager comb to work all of that oil from my scalp all the way through my ends.
I gotta say, I think wash day will never be the same.
Fable and Maine, y'all might have changed the game with this.